Till now you have learned about cells and their arrangement to make a tissue, and tissues arrangement to make organs, and organs arrangement to make an organism, right? Now let's talk about what is inside our cells. Let's jump into a cell. Plants and animals have some differences in their cells. We'll discuss and learn in brief. So as body parts are called organs, like that, cell parts are called organelles. Each organelle has different shape, size and function. Common organelles in animals and plants are cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and another one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then Golgi apparatus, also known as Golgi complex, mitochondria. These are present commonly in both plant cell and animal cell. But including above organelles, plants also contain the following except centriole, which are only present in fungi, algae and animals. Plants contain these organelles also, like cell wall, plastids and vacuoles. Now let's start with the location, structure and function. First one is cell membrane. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. Cell membrane is like walls of a room. How walls cover and protect everything inside the room, like that cell membrane also protect the cell. Give a structure to a cell and attach with many other cells to form a tissue. It is made up of lipids and proteins. Cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. But wait, what is this word semi-permeable? Here, semi means half or selected. Like in a cricket we say semi-final means half final. And permeable is related to pores. So we can say that semi-permeable means a cell that allows only selected substances to enter into the cell and to go out of the cell. Because of this semi-permeable cell membrane, many harmful substances cannot enter into the cell. Now, second is cytoplasm. If we imagine and consider a cell like a swimming pool filled with water, then walls of the swimming pool are like cell membrane and water inside the swimming pool is like cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like material present inside the cell, in which all other organelles are suspended. Cytoplasm has a big role in chemical reactions. Most of the chemical reactions occur in the cytoplasm. It also helps in transportation of many material outside and inside the cell. Now third one is nucleus. Nucleus is a large spherical organelle generally located at the center of a cell. This is the main processing part of a cell. All information of the cell and its processes is stored in the nucleus. Cell without nucleus is supposed to be dead cell. So did you understand how much important a nucleus is in the cell? Without a nucleus, cell can't produce anything and it will become functionless. This means it can't perform any function. Now, the fourth one is endoplasmic reticulum. It is located around the nucleus in a network form. These are supportive in function to the cell and maintain its structure. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. First one is rough endoplasmic reticulum and second one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosome present on them and looks rough, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum doesn't have ribosome and look smooth. Rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in protein formation in the cell, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps to make hormones and lipids in the cell. Rough endoplasmic reticulum processes proteins and send them to the next organelle, Golgi apparatus. Now, for extra information, I would like to say why it is called endoplasmic reticulum. Because endo means inside, plasmic is related to cytoplasm, that is a jelly-like material in the cell, and reticulum means network-like structure like a spider web. So if we merge whole sentence, what I said now, it may be like this, that a network-like structure present inside the cytoplasm. That is why it is called endo, that's inside, plasmic, that is inside the cytoplasm, reticulum, that's network-like structure. I hope you got it right. Okay, now let's move to the next organelle, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is also known as Golgi complex, Golgi body. Golgi apparatus was first discovered by an Italian physician named Camillo Golgi in 1898. Golgi apparatus is located near the nucleus of the cell. It is having many compartments and vesicles like pouches, in which protein comes from the rough endoplasmic reticulum and gets packed in Golgi apparatus. Later, protein gets dispatched from Golgi apparatus. Golgi complex is also involved in lipid transport and lysosome formation. Now the next is the very important and my favorite, that is mitochondria. This word came from Greek language. Here, mitos means thread or tag that you ask during exams, and chondrion, that means grain-like, like a seed or grain-like. So, a thread and grain-like structure present inside the cell. Mitochondrion is a singular form, where mitochondria are plural form. You will never forget one line your whole life, and that line is, mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. You can repeat it, and believe me, you will never forget this till the end of the world. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Okay? But wait, what does this mean? This means that whatever energy is needed to a cell is produced and given by mitochondria to the cell. Mitochondria produce energy and supply it to the cell so that cell can function properly. For general knowledge, a liver cell contains more than 2000 mitochondria, while RBC, that is red blood cell, okay, they do not contain single mitochondria because they don't need energy produced by mitochondria. Till here we discussed that what are the common organelles animals and plant cells have, but now we will see what plant cells are having extra than animal cell. The following organelles are only found in plants. The first one is cell wall. Cell wall, it is not present in animal. Animals have only cell membrane, while plants have cell wall above cell membrane. This cell wall is present just outside the cell membrane. It provides the cell with both structural support and protection from the external environment. It is very tough against outside environment. Now the next one is plastids. Plastids are present inside the plant cell, algae and some eukaryotic organisms. You might have heard about chlorophyll, right? Where chloro means green and phyll means pigment. So we can say that chlorophyll is a green pigment present in the leaves. But actually this green color chlorophyll is produced by chloroplast, which is one of the type of plastids. Plastids have other types also. You know why fruits and flowers are colorful? Because they have colorful plastids in them, known as chromoplast. First one was chloroplast, that is green color pigment. Now chromoplast, that is colorful pigment. So color of the fruits and flowers come from plastid known as chromoplast. Now tell me, what color roots and seeds are from inside? They are white, that is, there is no color inside them. This is because the last type of plastid, that is leucoplast. They store starch, lipid and proteins. Now, coming to the last and important organelle in the plant, that is vacuole. Vacuole are majorly present in the plant cell, though animal cells also contain vacuoles, but vacuole size is very small in animal cells. There is no particular size and shape of a vacuole. The size and shape of a vacuole varies according to the requirement of the cell. Vacuoles store chemicals like enzymes which help in many cell processes. So today we have learned much more about cell. Though it is not enough, but I hope you all have understood. Cytology, that is the study of cell, can be done by using diagrams. Then only we can understand it well. So practice the diagrams and study well. Thank you.
Hello to all great learners. I hope you have learned something today. If you want to learn more amazing things like this, then like this video, comment below, share this video with amazing learners like you, and subscribe my channel. And yeah, don't forget to hit the bell icon, because whenever I'll upload any video, you will be notified. Thank you.